Hello, good morning. My name is Prashant Rana. I am 23 years old. I am from Salyan, Nepal. I am married. I have four members in my family. My education 10 pass. I am medically fit and fine. I have 2 years of work experience as the factory workers in Nepal. I want to come to an European countries as a factory worker to earn money and support my family. Thank you.
बीच साइड साइड चक्कर बीच में सब कटिङ छोड्के उठाएर तल राख्ने अब है ठिक छ त्यसलाई त्यसरी राख्नुहोस् तपाईँ मैले भने ठाउँमा हो ठिक छ उता राख्नुहोस् एउटा मात्रै हो एउटा मात्रै गर्ने हो बेलाई बहुत उता राख्नुहोस् ठिक छ ठिक छ
Thank you.